Hello, I'm Eric Wilson, and we're within that 48-hour window. It's time now to start preparing. We're going to start timing it out. I'll show you exactly where the highest resolution models are, where it will be Tuesday morning, where it'll be Tuesday afternoon, and where we think it will be 48 hours from the time of this recording. And again, that's as far out as I go. If Michael stalls in the Gulf of Mexico, we've got a new issue. It means a later landfall date. It also means we could have a new track. Is it too soon to start thinking about cold air sagging as far south as the deep south? Let's put all those things together and time this thing out right now. So here they are, the three major players. Number one, is Michael where we think it is? And if so, will it take this path? I believe Michael is a little bit further to the east than we are being told. However, we're within that window. It's time to start getting ready. Now, this could change if number two, right in here, comes into play. If Michael stalls, we've got a whole new ball game. And we'll talk more about colder air being a factor later on, but let's get right into it. At 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning, anywhere within this circle, this cone, I'll call it my circle of uncertainty. All right, I put infrared satellite into the future and showed you pretty much, it looks like tomorrow morning or Tuesday morning, Tampa to Orlando, not a whole lot of activity. Its possible location later in the afternoon appears to be more into the Gulf of Mexico than originally thought. Let's break down the radar. There just isn't a whole lot going on there. That same time, if I remove the clouds and showed you the radar underneath, you just don't see a whole lot of activity. I mean, this is 1 kilometer resolution. It gets updated every hour. This is, as promised, this is as far out as I go, 48 hours. It appears to be about 50 miles off of the Panhandle of Florida, Wednesday morning, right around sunrise. I believe there's plenty of reason to keep all of those cities aware of storm surge, aware of flooding issues, aware of heavy rain. Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. So there you go. As promised, I'll have another update as to why I don't think Michael is where it's going. Because if you can't find the storm, how can you trust its track? Until then, spread the news. Hashtag EricWilsonWeather.com. Thanks for sharing. And for anyone along the Panhandle in the Gulf states, it's time now to get ready.